Hey guys, Fanciful T here. Welcome back to another episode. Glad you could join me. Today we're going to be finishing up the build of the balsa wood airplane. We're going to be installing all of the electronics, getting it properly balanced, and getting it hopefully flying. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and unpack all of the electronics. They're all fairly straightforward. All of that is pretty self-explanatory. So this is the time lapse of me putting all of the electronics in. You're going to have four main parts for the electronics of the airplane. You have your motor, your electronic speed controller, your servos, and your receiver. You also have the transmitter, which is the controller. The pieces that go in the airplane itself, doesn't really matter what order you install them. Just make sure that all the connections are made properly. Obviously, the motor goes on the front of the airplane. Connect your motor to the electronic speed controller, and then the speed controller goes into the receiver, and then both of your servos also go into the receiver. You only have two servos because you have a dihedral in the wing, so you only need 3 channels to control this airplane. So one for going up and down, left, right, and then speed. Once all that's done, plug your battery in, bind your controller to the airplane, get all your servos and everything working in the right direction, and it's ready to fly. Thanks for watching my video. Go ahead and like the video. If you haven't done so already, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get a notification every time I put out a video. Doing it pretty much every week now. Should be interesting. Next week we're going to find out if my airplane actually flies. I give it about a 50-50 shot. We will find out. But that's all for today. And as always, stay fancy.